Dear children, in this video we are going to discuss three topics. They are 1. Power of lens. Second, dispersion of light. And third, scattering. At the beginning, we discuss power of lens. In the earlier videos, we discussed that for the correction of vision defects, we have to use different lenses for the eyes. If the vision defect is myopia, concave lens is used, and the vision defect is hypermetropia, convex lens is used. So, when we approach an ophthalmologist, that is eye specialist or any optician, they will give us lenses by saying a term power of the lens. So power of the lens is used generally by the opticians to indicate the lens power. So the power of the lens can be defined as the degree of convergence or divergence of light ray by the lens. Power, here I am defining power of the lens. Power of the lens is defined as the degree of convergence or divergence of the light ray by the lens. Power is generally represented by the letter P, and it is nothing but the reciprocal of the focal length. Power is the reciprocal of the focal length. So P, power, is equal to 1 by F is the formula to find the power, where F is the focal length of the lens if it is measured in meters. If suppose the focal length is measured in centimeters, then we can write the formula for power of the lens. P is equal to 100 by F if the focal length is measured in centimeters. Now we are going to discuss the second topic, that is dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. Generally, you might have observed a rainbow on a rainy day. Where you will observe the rainbow? Generally, if the rain occurs in the morning, then we will observe the rainbow on the west side. If the rain occurs in the evening, then the rainbow is observed on the east side. So how the rainbow occurs, or how the rainbow is formed? The rainbow is formed because of the dispersion of light. So what is dispersion? Dispersion of light is nothing but splitting of white light into different colors. Those different colors are nothing but VGR, that is, a white light when passes through a medium, it splits into 7 different colors. Those colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. VGR. What is this? So the splitting of white light into different colors is defined as the dispersion of light. Here the dispersion takes place because the white light is a combination of 7 colors. When white light is passing from vacuum to another medium, because of the different wavelengths, each deviate, the different light bands deviate from its path and they form a rainbow. That is VIBGR, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Here this happens because of the different wavelengths of different colors. So which color has the most wavelength and which color has the least wavelength? From this we will say that red has the most wavelength whereas violet has the least wavelength. That's why, so as the red has most wavelength, it can be visible from long distances. That's why red is generally used in danger signal because it can be visible from long distances. Now we will discuss another topic, that is scattering. Scattering of light. Scattering of light. What is scattering? This topic we are discussing with dispersion because there is a difference between dispersion and scattering. In dispersion, light ray passes from one medium to another medium and splits into different colors, whereas in scattering, the molecules of the air absorbs the sunlight of the atmosphere absorb the sunlight and after absorbing they will re-emit some part of energy into the atmosphere. This re-emittance of light energy is nothing but the scattering of light. So the molecules or atoms present in the atmosphere absorb the sunlight and some part of energy is again re-emitted into the atmosphere. This phenomenon of re-emittance of light by the atmospheric molecules is nothing but scattering of light. Thank you.